La 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 la. It is, I think, not even 6:30 yet, or almost. And we came to the house to bring some stuff. You might hear a lot of wind. It's cloudy, but yet there's a good view of the mountains. There must be a little boy there named Paulo, because the mother's saying, "Come on, Paulo, time for school." Well, let's see, I have to reach around this wall to get this. 12 weeks from today is January 1st, and 12 weeks from yesterday we'll turn in the house in Hikuri. It's a little drizzly and windy and all of that. Let's see on the other side. Here on that wall, we're going to put the big bookcase, the white pine bookcase. Oh, there's a piece of trash that flew up to our terrace. Yeah, it's interesting. It's cloudy, but there's a good view of the mountains. Okay, this is going a little bit long. I just wanted to say hi and hope y'all have a good day. That's it sounds like that bird is laughing. That's a funny noise. Okay, talk to you later.